Well, Crawdad was right. Looks like I ordered these ones for his truck. Eh? That's son of a... I might be able to just stab them in from the top there. Stab them in and then bring them up and in. Oh, yeah, that'll work. Nice. So, but yeah, yesterday didn't go as planned. We started taking the exhaust off and then got right down to the last bolt. It just rounded off like 3 smithereens, and we were trying to get it off, and then I thought, you know, hold on, whoa, you know, because I was just about to sawzall the cat. I was like, I'm gonna cut them, you know what I mean? So I was just about to sawzall the exhaust off, and I thought, well, you know, hold your horses, let's just have a double sant this. And sure enough, I'm looking and I'm like, that end comes out straight and there's truck there, and plus this big bend, there's a big steering component there in accordance. So, and then we ended up doing a little diagnostic investigations and find out that sure enough, Crawdad was right. Yeah, he couldn't make it this weekend. He has to play fiddlesticks. So could have got himself a new exhaust, but no, fiddlesticks more important. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab the felon quick, and then by the time we get back, Buddy should be here. We just gotta button up the last couple things on the intake, chuck these friggin' the new chocks in, and then tune it, get it just rip roaring like big time, and then do darts. Actually, while it's up here too, I should bolt that trailer hitch on. I got a trailer hitch for it, and then we can like tow stuff. Probably not very much will happen, but a little bit, maybe. Think frig I got that friggin' snowplow going on the friggin' skid steer. Got it, all the hydraulics going and stuff, so that's how I knew we weren't gonna get a very good winter. Like, you know, we weren't gonna get a dick winter. 2 snows, that's it. A little bit. You know, so winter's like 3 days in inwood. We don't participate in that nonsense. Anyways, I'll grab the felon and we'll come back to smoke segments. Oh goodness gracious, we're gonna need a pry bar. They don't want to cooperate at all.
Yeah, just like that. There you go. Do you need any assistance? I have bolts.
So close. Okay, ready? Watch your fucking fingers. Holy shit.
That was close.
Ready? Felt slide like right by it. Yeah. Woo! Holy shit. We learned something. We learned.
No, the other side is going to be...
This might actually be easier, yeah.
Yeah, it might go as planned. Might go into accordance.
There's like a specific fucking one they used. There we go. A little far forward, but...
I noticed you got a TV in one side with a couch, and then you got the bunk beds over there, the 3 of them,
yeah.
And then you got the computer over on the other side. So like, there's 3 bunk beds, but there's only 2 things to do in there. Maybe
The third one's fucking.
Hey?
You get the middle bunk, buddy.
Gone.
Oh,
I want to be nowhere near those bunk beds after dark. This isn't like an OnlyFans session, unless that's what you're going to start to do now. You trimmed your beard all up so that you can get ready for OnlyFans.
yeah.
It's kind of like Patreon.
I guess it kind of is, yeah.
Sort of.
So if we snozz.
Oh yeah, I like where you're going with that.
I gotta show you the problem here. Where's my cone?
Your phone?
Where's my fucking cone?
Oh.
Here it is right here.
Oh,
sir.
fuck. Yeah. There it is.
Here's your cone and a clamp.
Oh, clamp. Inspect it. I think we're missing one over here too. We're missing a clamp. We need one small one.
Smaller?
Let's see how. Where are you looking? Look over here where I'm doing stuff. This is interference to the edge of the R-skull. And like down in there's got a struck sear. I'd show you, but like this is just stick. You see the struck sear down there? It's not big enough for the end of the comb, so we're gonna just get the fucking snozzel out, boys. So fox. All him's down on the ground. I should have measured, eh? I should have friggin' measured.
Oh.
Too late. Hagwanoga. But I'm sure new ones with an extra coil in them will be better than old ones with one less coil in the new ones. Mm-hmm. Surely. Flashark.
Flashark, yeah.
Flashark.com.
80 foot-pounds. Ha 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 ha.
I thought it was funny.
Yeah, no, I actually did.
I said it, I was like, oh, that's funny.
See, and things like that can be funny when you know.
Fucking moving the goddamn truck or what?
Yeah.
Things like that can be funny when you're, you know, we were able to adapt and overcome.
Yeah.
And when I say we, I mean Bug.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That was all him for sure.
Fucking IQ 200 over
We could
here.
have fucking hauled it out and brought it somewhere and they could have spit. We just went, oh.
Beg my
That would have been
pardon.
embarrassing.
Oh.
Could at least
I'm gonna
try.
pull the lift arms out of this. You're done lifting it, right?
I think so.
Okay.
I was going to put the trailer hitch on, but
That'll be a project for another week.
Yeah, let's do as much as possibly you.
Where the fuck did you get this from?
Hang on.
oh, in the top drawer, the blue.
Okay.
I didn't even get it in front of it.
Oh, I didn't?
Do it now. And action, eh? Just dust yours frig. That's body filler, that. So this, let's see, where's my fucking this one here? That needs to go in there. That's just extra anyway. That's pretty thick metal too. That is structs here.
Holy shit.
Alright.
That's interesting.
Let's see if the horn will fit in there now. Oh yeah. If I cut a little bit out of the top though, and then we get a piece of hose, split it, and then we make it go around there like that.
It's nice, protective.
Yeah. Well, nice.
No wreck in the filter.
Yeah. You still get money for it if it's got a casing on it.
Yeah.
It's just because somewhere you're better off leaving the casing on. Really, you know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
just
like
it's just a
telephone
matter of figuring out. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
you got to figure it out. It's not, you know,
There's a happy medium.
yeah,
in
it's
there.
like you gotta like sort of test it, right? Like if you weigh it and it's like with the casing on, you're getting $2.50 a pound, and without the casing, you're getting $4.80 a pound.
Oh yeah,
but-
just leave it on.
You know what I mean? The amount of work to get the casing off, plus
Yeah.
if you're losing way more weight, you know what I mean? Like if the money is not the same or more from stripping it, then you're better
Yeah.
off just leaving it, right?
Yeah, I get what you mean. Yeah, the amount of work that you gotta put in to get
Maybe
the casing
they
off
have a good way
Yeah,
to take
doesn't
it
match
off.
the difference.
Look how f***ing custom that is.
That's custom as frig.
So when people ask you what's your adjectives, you can tell them film.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
What's your adjectives, bud? Oh,
Here's a pair of dikes over here.
oh, f***, I love dikes.
Oh.
Side cutters.
Come up, huh?
Shut up, right here. Get everything back into
And we also got
some
another
sort of organization.
light over here.
Yeah, find a small rack.
What was that?
Just trying to make it
Oh, shit.
friendly. What's up?
That's fucking her. Well, I just gotta put a couple self-tappers in here, finish the install.
Yes.
Okay. Finish the install, a couple self-tappers, bud. Where are the self-tappers? Nice.
By the
By
drill.
the drill.
across the concrete, wouldn't be so fucked up.
Ah! Get that loose.
Be careful, these are not.
Yeah, here, smoke.
Yeah, I wasn't doing that.
You can share them with me if they're too
Yeah.
tasty for you.
Yes.
Those are good cigarettes. Okay. We're almost there.
So that's on there, Justin.
Holy shit. Had to hog out the inside of there a little bit because it's got such a tremendous filtration unit onto it. Hook the battery up, then we can tune it, right buddy?
Yes, sir.
And we make it go spas?
Yes.
Or a little bit spas?
Spaz as we can.
Nice. It's the best kind of spas. Decent. Are you parsing data?
I am.
Oh, hopefully your dandruff flicked off into my coffee. That'd be fucking great.
Well, I wear this hat as a funnel.
It's like a filter,
Yes.
so you don't get like the chunks. It's just like the fine particulate matter.
Yes.
Nice. So what do you think? Fire it up or what?
Let me plop this tune in it.
Oh, I sincerely apologize.
I'll put this tune in it and then. Well, yeah, I'll put this tune in it.
Try out the new shocks. We'll have to put the exhaust on Crawdad's truck if he'll let me.
That's only wide open throttle. So when you're just cruising around, it'll be normal. But when you gotta pass somebody, you can just gibber.
Yeah. It's probably different altitude.
Yeah, what is...
Different longitude and latitude.
Oh yeah, what is the altitude over here?
I don't know.
Yeah, because
Thursday or something.
Thursday? We're only... We're
Right?
like 300 or 400 feet above sea level.
Careful, you're old. Oh, careful.
Carefully.
Oh, there we go. Oh, now my knees fit. Oh, yeah. I can't remember. No. I can't remember if I locked it.
So it's
Yes, downtown Inwood.
it's not like driving itself or anything. It's like acting normal and all that.
You got an itchy ass or something?
Are you what?
You got an itchy ass or something? What are you grinding your ass up in the seat for?
Oh, shoulders.
Oh, I apologize.
You got worked
You
over.
got a good back scratcher seat. Hit you right at the shoulder blades, right where you can't reach with, no matter if you go up or down or across. Oh, that one spot that you just can't reach.
Scary.
Yeah, it shifted early.
Was it going enough beats?
Yeah. The gear shifts are nice and firm though.
What? No bunk beds? What? No bunk beds? Photoshop bunk.
I'm gonna try them out.
Yeah. You want the middle bunk?
I want the middle one.
Yeah. I photoshopped some bunk beds into my, I'll just show you the picture here. I'm hilarious. So this was an ad I seen on Facebook. So I went into an appy and I removed the background, and then I put the background, or I put the bunk bed in with the room background and put it on Facebook, told everybody that I got a friggin' triple bunk, and I messaged Crawdad. I said, oh, buddy's coming on the weekend, we got the bunk beds all set up. He's like, oh, I don't do bunk beds.
Like when you're driving across, yeah. That's crazy. Yeah. It's funny too because the speed limits out here are like 95, 100 anyways. It's like you're not even speeding.
Well, I was just testing out the donkeys, boys. Now look. Hope you're happy. But can you hear the lump? That's probably why he pulled me over, because he's like, that's a lumpy can in that unit. But anyways, she works. Hey, I apologize. Freaking rates, hey? Little fuzz in the movies to lure you guys in. What happened? Anyways, boys, I go.